All right. I have the bike all loaded up with camping gear and my prospecting equipment. I'm going to go look for gold a second time up here. The first time was kind of a pathetic attempt. Hopefully this time I might actually find something. All right. Oh yeah, here's the corner. Cool. I don't know if I can get around the gate here. We're gonna find out. And if I can't, all right, let's get down to business. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this. This just gets deposited when this creek overflows. The interesting thing is, like, when you're just looking to like see where to set up, you don't need a lot of stuff. You're just trying to find some traces. Let's see. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, I didn't have any luck there, so I'm going to go further upstream. It just looks clear, pretty mountain water. So a brief history of gold mining in Alabama as I walk up. There was a rush in the 1830s. This was before dynamite, or pretty sure the sluice was invented too. And very little about it is written down. Thing of myth and legend. And the reason for that is people didn't want you to find their spot, and this was back in the 1830s. Then 1860 came around and gold was found in California, and everybody pretty much abandoned Alabama as a gold mining site and went west. Now, I'm a complete amateur at this, so I don't really know what I'm looking for. All I do know is that gold is heavy, so I'm looking for obstructions and bends in the river or creek where it would get deposited during a flood. And this right here looks to me like a natural sluice box. So the water would get up, start swirling, and the water would get up and start swirling, and then the gold would get deposited in all of these cracks. Alrighty, let's run this last bucket here. That looks interesting. No gold, I did get to go camping and spend some time in a pretty place, which is what it's all about. And now I'm about to go explore some hidden trails, and that's going to be next week's video. Till then.